Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Vendor in a mask.
Can hear you.
Hi.
Hi.
1 second. We will wait. Yeah. So let's start. Maybe I'll start because I'm not sure if everybody used before Zoom. Here we have a chat icon below. Yes, on the screen. And if you will have any questions, you can type there. And my partner, Andrew, will answer on these questions. If I will need to show you something on a demo, so I'll do that. But I think at the end of the webinar. Okay. So I hope that everybody found this icon. Let's start. Do you see my screen presentation? Yes, okay. So today I'm going to tell you about CiviMobile application. This is native mobile application for CiviCRM. Today we cover just basic functionality because there are a lot of different features and we're still developing this mobile application. And I hope that it will be interesting for you. Small information about me. My name is Maryana Cherkes. I'm manager of the CRM Department at Agiliway. I have experience as business analyst and project manager near 16 years and 3 years, and if to be honest, more now. I'm working as CiviCRM expert in Agiliway. From my experience, we have already implemented more than 20 projects. So I have some experience and would like to share it with you. Today we will talk about CiviMobile application. We will talk about CiviCRM, but a little bit. And later I'll show you some CiviMobile features. And at the end, I'll tell you some information about how to start using CiviMobile. And later, at the end of the webinar, you will have possibility to ask some questions and I'll answer on that. But also, please do not forget use chat, because if I'll provide some information, as I mentioned, Andrew will answer on the spot for these questions. Okay, so CiviMobile applications. This is native mobile application for CiviCRM. The best, I think, application what we propose use for NGO organization, for political parties, for different international organizations. For its help, all parties, like all users, connect data, especially contact data from CiviCRM. And also it help manage events, cases, activities. In nearest future, it also will help manage surveys, petitions, and so on. So from our experience and from experience of our clients, it's really very useful when you have possibility to connect your data on a go. Why we chose CiviCRM? So it's happened historically. Yes, because like first client, it was a really very huge client that for whom we proposed CiviCRM. That was a huge political party. And what we saw that it proposed really powerful functionality for NGO, for non-profits. There are a lot of like functionality that helps manage contact, that help manage members, contributions, donations. It helps send like mailing and so on. And it's really very good because it's very cheap. Yes, because you do not need to pay for accounts and one moment. I will add participant. And that's why a lot of organizations around the world use it, and we help them use it correctly. And CiviMobile app helps them use it on a distance, yes, without like laptops and so on, just on mobile. Okay. Sorry. I just want to provide you with some statistic because it's based on our previous and existing clients and just prospects who requested for some consulting us. So here information about 42 clients. This statistic we gathered for 4 years that we are doing CiviCRM, and we saw that a lot of really international multi-level organizations such like Greenpeace, Amnesty, Red Cross use CiviCRM, and a lot of organizations that provide events and CiviCRM helps them manage these events. We have that 7% of them, so it's from our experience, yes. And we see that like organizations like Cherkes, yes, some kind of like fundraising and charity organization. So all of them using CiviCRM, and all of them need access to the contact data, to the members data, and so on. That's why CiviMobile helps them to do it like in real time. What about CiviMobile benefits? As I mentioned, so I think the most important benefits is that you have possibility to access your data anytime. Yes, and here we have possibility update or add contact. We have possibility create activity. Also, we have access to the calendar and see what activities during this day or during week waiting, yes, for us, and we should do. Also here we have possibility see events, yes, or if we are registered on events, see ticket for this event and participate there. Also here we have for our clients, we also propose branded version of CiviMobile, and it's also really very good solution for them because they have like mobile application with their logo, their colors, and if they need some custom functionality, we also provide this possibility and provide this custom functionality for them, for branded app. And how to start with CiviMobile. Let me share the screen. Okay, this is a mobile application where when I try to log in. Yes, now I will use for demo our demo website, but here you will have possibility to enter a CiviCRM site URL of your CiviCRM, yes, and connect to it. I'll do it here. And when I like connected to my CiviCRM, I will see first screen. This will be all events. This events like public events, events previously created in CiviCRM with like checkbox public, and all events will be available for not registered users. Because now I'm not registered, I'm previously not filled in any login or password. Yes, it's really very useful when this is organization would like to organize some event and public event, and these events will be available for not registered users. And here I have possibility to check some events. Let me, I just check one of this. Yes, and I have possibility to register on this event. I have possibility to see some details about this event and see participants here. Yes. Also, when I will already register on some events, these events will be shown in the screen, My Events. Also, after that, I have possibility to log in. When I'm logging, I would like to log in like administrator. I will use my credentials and not demo account, because I want to show you all functionality. No, here, no. And first screen, what I will see, this is also like configurable. I will show you later how to do that. But I configure it to see my calendar. Yes, and planned activities for today, tomorrow, and for all this month. So let's start maybe from contacts management, and we will go like tab by tab. I'll show you. Regarding the context, here, when I'm putting, I'm not sure if you see, if, do you see my mouse? Please just put head.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Here, when I put here, yes, a little bit slow. I see my profile. Yes, here I put like Maryana Cherkes. I have possibility view profile, but main thing, this is like menu that related to my account. So here I can check my relationship, my membership, my contribution, my notes, my groups where I participated, text and news. So all these things from this menu like related to me. Just I would like to show you some relationships. So here I am employee of Agiliway and I'm partner of Helena Wilson. Like if to be related, if I would like to see my membership, the same thing, this is my membership lifetime. So here I can check details of my membership and I have possibility to renew it. Another things, I also can check my contributions. Yes, I have member dues, I have donations, and I can, it's already completed. Also here I can add some text. Yes. So here, like, let it be, I'm volunteer. Okay. I will add it. Yes, and I have already added text to my account. So here I see information about me. Also, if I'm going to my profile, I see all information related to me. Here, information about where I am working, that I am working at Agiliway. Yes, information about mobile phone, about email, where I am living, birthday, age, and so on. This is like basic, like public information. Also in CiviCRM, we can play with this information, and through ACL permissions, we can hide some of them or show additional. And when we put additional information, this is all information of what is related to the like custom fields here. And also I have possibility to edit it. When I'm going to the contact field, here I see all contacts that saved in CiviCRM. And I can, because I'm logged as admin, yes, I have admin permissions, I can check any, let it be this one. Yes, and I have possibility to edit information about you. If I will be just user or will not have enough permissions, I will have possibility just see some information. Yes, and without edit. Also, as you see, I have possibility to delete contact here also. Yes, we added some info. I'm not sure. Let it be. I will change this last name. Yes. Okay. And here we have some special icon for filtering contacts. Here I can filter them by name, so or letter. Yes, we can put like A. Let it be like done, and I will see on all contacts who has A. Also here I can choose. Yes, do you see contact type? We have individual, household, or organization. Let it be we choose individual. Yes, and also we have possibility like filter by group. We can let it be case resources. Done. Okay, we will see who. Oh, nothing found. Great. Okay, let's group delete. And we have the list of contacts who are individuals and who are, have a letter into the name or surname. Also, we have here plus like icon, and this is provide you possibility to add contact. Yes, and you will have possibility to add individual or organization or household. Yes. Here's the list screen how to create individual. Let's we create some. Oh, sorry. Let it be like test. User. Some job title. Manager. And save it. Yes, I added like main information, but also here we can add phone, email, website, and so on. And check it. So here we have like enough flexible functionality for managing contact, filtering them, adding them, and play with information. Another thing what I would like to show you, this is calendar. Here we have like information about events, about cases and activities. From the calendar, I can just check, let it be this information about this activity. Yes, see details. I can edit. Here I just put it, edit status. Let it be like schedule it, change. Yes, and change status. And here I see this activity related to the case, and here I see information about for what case it related, and I can check information about case. Here we have case details. Here we see activities or that related to this case. And also the same, we can check every activity, we can change status, or provide there some notes or information. Also below, we see the list of participants. Here just me, like participant, and other activities that we see not assigned, so not assigned yet, so not participant yet. And I just want to come back to the calendar. Here we also see information about, I want to show you like possibility to filtering. Let it be, we just like want to see just cases, done. And we see just cases. If we would like to see just events, I will delete cases. Yes, and here you will see information just event. I know, oh yeah, I know that I created one event agenda, yeah. So, and from the calendar also we can check information about event. So calendar are really very convenient when you would like to find some information, what's like related today, tomorrow, or during this week. So it's really very quickly you can find what is waiting for you and what you schedule and check it. Next information that maybe we will go, we just mentioned about calendar. Let's go to the events tab. Here we see all events, all public events, yes, and all users will have possibility to register to the public event. Let's recheck this one. Yes, this is paid event. We see event fees. Here we can check participants, but after that one will be registered. Also here we see the place where this event will be provided, and information about email, where to send information, and so on. And if we would like to register, yes, I need to like provide information about me, some small, but it's auto field, and pay. So here we have just paid, but I'll try to pay. But there should be like, yes, we would like to send payment by check. And I'm successfully registered to this event. Also here we have, oh, 1 second, here we have also a filter for event, and we can choose event by date. So it might be current or future events or some specific date. Also, we can choose event by type. So let's say we would like to visit some conference, and here in the list will be shown just conferences. If we would like to just see current and future events, let it be from today. Yes, and we will see all events that are current and starting from today, because I'm not put it end date. So from today and to the end of year and so on. So here we see all information about events. As I mentioned, from here we also, as from calendar, the same things from the events tab, we can just go to the events detail information and check any information about the event. Also here we have information about my events, and I have already registered on event agenda. Yes, I see that it will be, and here I have like past event that I was registered before and participated before. Okay, so if you have any question, please use chat and write there. I just want to remind you about that option. Okay, let's go to the cases. Here we have tab for cases. And here we have CiviCRM webinar preparation. This is case, my case that I have already created before, yes. And here I see that open status. On the case, I can check like what type of case. I can see all activities, what is related to this case. I can find some information about special activity. Yes, I can change status here of activity. I see priority for activity, and I see participants for activity. So all these things, what is related to case. Here they just have just one case, but if there will be two and more, it will be the same list as we saw with events. And activities, I think this is the main thing that everybody working with. Here we see all upcoming things, what waiting for us for today, tomorrow, and so on. And our like real tasks, what we should do. And here we can check activity. Yes, we can change status the same, and we can see participants, and this case related to the case, this activity, sorry, related to the case, and we see this. I'll try to find some activity not related to the case. 1 second. This one. No. Okay. So if activity will not be related to the case field will be empty. So this is like main functionality what we have for CiviMobile for now. And another thing, so what I would like to show you that how like install and configure CiviMobile on the web. Let me show you. I hope. Do you see the web, CiviCRM on the web? Can tell me someone? Because it's really in Zoom very hard to know.
Do.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, thank you, thank you. Okay, so here in administer, first thing what you should do just to try to use CiviMobile app. This is here in system settings, we have extensions. We go there and we need to install CiviMobile API extension. So this is the main thing. Because without this extension, CiviMobile will not work. First thing, install it, yes, and after that in administer you will see CiviMobile settings page, and here you will do like main configurations. You can choose you would like use site name, like use TMS site name or some custom site name. Also here just shown that your extension up to date. If not, there will be some kind of error or warning. Yes, regarding also here you can configure public area settings. What does that mean? This area will be available for not logged in users for CiviMobile app. So here you choose information. So would you like to share information about public events or not? Yes, here you just need to put special checkboxes. Yes. Also, and here some configuration about your QR code. So if users will go to the website, your website, yes, this QR code will be shown on your website, and they easily will have possibility to log in from CiviMobile to your CiviCRM. And next thing, here we have a news area. Also here we can put like CiviMobile, so here we put it CiviMobile fees, but here we just URL to your RSS site. So if you on your website using some news like page, here you just put it link, and this information will be also visible on CiviMobile app. And next thing, here you have possibility to configure your push notifications. The instruction about how to put server key and so on, you can find on our website. There are detailed instructions step by step what you should do with this. So I hope that I'll cover all information what I would like to show you. Please tell me if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to provide you with it. I see some questions. I see that Andrew already answered on most of them. You can enable your voice, yes, and just ask in a live. Does anyone have questions? I see here one very interesting question about is it possible to make limited access for managers with different levels? I also want to answer that yes. I think that this information will be useful for all organizations. For CiviMobile, we have already implemented ACL roles and permissions. And there you can on CiviCRM configure like restricted access to special areas, to see like some only some groups of contacts and so on. And the same permissions users will have on the CiviMobile. So if you have this configured for CiviCRM, the same things will work also for CiviMobile. And I'm not seeing any other questions. From our experience, just I want to share that CiviMobile, like in nearest future, we would like to implement surveys and petitions because such functionality also was a lot of times requested of our clients. Yes, and we are always working with like feedbacks. When you are using CiviMobile, please provide with feedbacks with your ideas, because this application is still in development and we support it, and always interested in like what functionality from CiviCRM will be useful for our potential clients and for all CiviCRM users. So just please provide this information, and we like create backlog from our functionality and features what we will do. And if you have such interesting ideas, please share with us. Okay, so let me like I would like. Do you have any questions? Because just everybody.
Yeah, if I may, did you have any experience with CiviMobile when logging guests in on an event? Let's say on the check-in, you can use CiviMobile as well for checking in?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So for events, already implemented this functionality like check-in. Maybe next webinar, because here I just provided short overview, but next webinar we would like provide more information about event management, because for events we implemented not only check-in possibility, we implemented possibility create like huge events with several sessions, with several several sub-events at the same time, when you have possibility to see all the venues where these events will be and so on. And it's a lot of information for like a short answer, and I hope that next webinar, yes, that will be provided, I hope soon, I will tell you how to do this, how manage events, because there are a lot of complex and really very useful functionality already done and for CiviMobile app.
Thank you.
Just see for news from us, because yes, I think that next will be about events. Maybe any other questions? Maybe you can share some ideas of what you would like to know, yes, in the next webinars about CiviMobile, because just as I mentioned, this here just short overview. And next webinars, we will tell more and more deeply about all modules, how to work with them, especially about events and others. Any more questions? Okay.
Yeah, I did lobby one through. I came in a little late, so I just was hoping that this would be recorded, so some of us could watch it a little later. It does say recording, so hopefully it's available.
Yes, yes, it will be available, and we will share a recording later with all participants. And I think that we will publish it on our website, so it will be available for everybody.
Thank you so much.
And thank you too. So anyway, I would like to share with you just one thing. Our contact data. Yes, just please. Oh, sorry, here information, yes, our email and so on. Please put your ideas, put your what you want to listen in the next webinar. Just email there on our email, and I'll try to prepare it and share it, this information with you. Thank you very much. So have a nice day, have a nice evening. Who has evening or a day or morning? I'm not sure where all of you are from. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.